are going to unbox a special package coming straight from Penang. Today I'm rocking my Seiko SMJ809. With me here is a measurement tools and also an old trusted OTF knife. So let's see what time that we unbox our box today. First we unwrap it. Okay. So there you go, from Thomas Tools, Malaysia. Thomas Tools is a EDC shop from Malaysia located in Penang. So that is the logo, Thomas Tools. So I assume that this is the appropriate box to open on this side. So without further ado, let's unbox it. What is this? Inside we got this air bag to keep the item inside. But that's the face mask, medical face mask. Okay, right aside. So let's clear the table for a while. Okay, this is the CJRB PYRITE ALT. Sorry to blur there. Okay, so we open up the box. Inside the box we have this, I think, about CJRB. Okay, CJRB cutlery. Put inside there. And a silicone gel, nothing inside. So put that aside. Let's see. Yo, we have this. All black CJRB.
So let's review our newly acquired CJRB PYRITE ALT. This is a very lightweight pocket knife, folding knife with a button lock mechanism. So the specification of this CJRB PYRITE is the blade length is about 79 millimeter, and the blade thickness is about 2.7 millimeter, and the the blade grind is flat. Okay, and the finishing is black PVD coating, and the blade material here they use the AR RPM 9 with blade hardness HRC 5961. So the blade style is Wharncliffe, and the overall length of this blade is about 186 millimeter, and length close is about 107 millimeter. So the pivot assembly, they're using the ceramic ball bearing, and the overall weight of this knife is 105 gram. Okay, so this is the way you deploy the knife, and with your finger like that, or simply you move it like this. It's very easy to deploy, safe for your fingers. Your fingers doesn't get through to the closing of the blade. So very lightweight. So compares to other type of folding, you got this linear lock here, a Jeep what do you call that, Jeep knife here. It's a linear lock. It's quite hard for you to close it with one hand. Okay, also with the poker knife, it's also a linear lock folding knife. It's quite time consuming for you to close the knife. Then you have the OTF, one of the fastest deploying and closing mechanism here. Just pull through like that. So the CJRB PYRITE is very slim, quite as slim as this OTF, but the poker seems to be slightly bigger. Then you have this bigger Jeep knife. So it's a very affordable button lock folding knife in the market right now. So get yours at Thomas Tools from Penang. They are the main supplier for Malaysian market. Yep, very fidgety, and you might as well be careful with deploying this in front of people using this finger, because you might intimidate people with your middle finger and also with the knife. So you might want to handle it safely, deploy it at a safe environment. You cannot carry this in public. This is illegal to carry in public. But also this, you must kept it in a safe case in the EDC pouch for camping, and yeah. So this is one of the best button lock folding knife out there. Okay, until our next video, thanks for watching, guys.